with you, with you. I wish we had another time. I wish we had another time. Now I feel and Julia, that's another tale to ever tell. Bonnie and Clyde, never at the high like we do. We do, you and I, but no can't work. It's all fun and games till someone gets hurt and dies. And I won't let that be you, not you. Let go, and I won't let you know there might be something real between us two. Now we don't wanna fall, but we're tripping in our saying it's reckless and clumsy, and I know you can't love me. Yeah. I wish we had another time. I wish we had another place. But everything we have is stuck in that moment, and there's nothing I can do. But with time and space, 'cause I'm still stuck in the moment. You, like Adam and Eve, tragedy was a destiny, like Sonny and Cher. I don't care, I got you, baby. See, we both fighting every inch of our fiber. 'Cause in a way it's gonna end right, but we are both too foolish to die. I need your let go, and I don't wanna let you know that there might be something real between us two. No, 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 we don't wanna fall, but we're tripping in a hole, and reckless and clumsy, and you know you can't love me. Oh, so I wish we had another time. I wish we had another place. But everything we have is stuck in our moment, and there's nothing I know can do. If I miss having faith, 'cause I'm still stuck in the moment. You, 'cause it's cool, prove everything we can be. Baby, we both have the right to decide. Me and I will be so old and gray. When we about these better days. I wish we had another time. I wish we had another plan. But anything we did and everything we had is stuck in the moment. Yeah, I wish we had another time. I wish we had another place. But everything we had is stuck in the moment. And there's nothing I hope can do. But with time